What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, with that, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is simply you and I talking about the crypto space, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Now, let's start with the overall market. A level of 29 fear. Fear has been the story for the last year and a half. It is beyond annoying to me at this point, but the entire retail space. Hey, guys, look, I don't know about you, right? But I'm just going to say you. Probably not you because you're watching the video and you haven't given up. But retail in general is so stupidly afraid right now. This is like reminiscent of 2017 into 2018. 2018, when Bitcoin had come back down from just $19,000 and it was at $11,000, $10,000, $8,000. Everybody thought that crypto was a fad. Everybody thought that it was over. Everybody thought that it would never stand a chance of recovering. And that's what people feel like right now. There was more fear in the market now with Bitcoin at $67,000 than there was back in 2018. And it doesn't make sense because now we've got ETFs, we've got institutions that are willing to buy, we've got governments that are loading up, we've got regulatory clarity, we've got a macroeconomic situation that is constantly improving, but fear dominates. So don't let the fear dictate your decisions is all I want to say on this. Level of 37 in terms of altcoin season right now. Altcoins are slightly falling in terms of their comparison to Bitcoin. And of course an RSI of 48 is relatively neutral. I want to focus in on Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin, it is red today, but guys, moving from 596 points per coin to 589 points per coin, just a 1% swing. And the price of Shiba Inu coin here is extremely low, right? It's not something that we're writing home about, and Shiba Inu coin has really been steady in its price action over the last couple of weeks. But let's talk about this technical recovery. It says on April 3rd, one of the biggest meme coins, Shiba Inu coin, recorded a solid price increase of 3.22% during the last 24 hours following fresh buying interest in the widely followed meme coin. As of now, SHIB currently trading at 601, as of the time I'm recording, 589, and according to real-time figures from CoinMarketCap, the surge has affected the market cap by roughly $3.54 billion and placed the token in the top 30 cryptocurrencies in size. The daily trading activity revolves around $91 million. Now, this is still extremely low compared to where it's been historically, but even over the last couple of days, we've seen volume at $120, $130, $140 million. So, of course, we know that there's going to be less trading on this weekend, and sitting at $91.4 million it's evidence of that. Shiba Inu coin soars, but remains in the neutral zone. Now, I wouldn't use the word soars here, right? Even if we're talking about yesterday's price action into today, moving from 586 up to 608, back down, it's not soaring in price action. We know what Shiba Inu coin is capable of, and a coin that is soaring right now is Siren. Siren has a very good chance of sparking the meme coin rally. I actually bought a little bit of Siren this morning after it started to run back up. Be very careful if you guys are interested in this one, but my goodness, this one it's very intriguing at the moment, as it could reignite a lot of people's interest in meme coins. Okay, now I'm not going to focus on that in the video. We're focusing on Shiba Inu coin. I'll make another one about Siren later today. It says, according to the technical indicators, Shiba Inu coin is now cautiously optimistic in the short term. The relative strength index revolves around 55 on the daily chart, which keeps the token squarely in neutral territory and avoids any extreme overbought or oversold readings. The moving average convergence divergence line has produced a fresh bullish crossover on lower time frames, which often shows building upward momentum when confirmed by volume. Shorter term moving averages convergence divergence line, or the MACD, has produced a fresh bullish crossover And it says shorter term moving averages are suggesting an upward momentum, while longer term averages still sit overhead as potential resistance zones. And that's what we're looking at with this 50-day exponential moving average. It's not just a resistance zone. This is one of the strongest moving average resistance levels that I have ever seen, which is why I believe that if broken, we could see a very, very nice move to the upside. Now, it says that there's a strong support test around 580 points per coin, while the next clear resistance is 620 points per coin. Maybe, but I'm going to be looking at this 50-day moving average, which is about 608 points per coin right now. So my major level of resistance actually comes before theirs at 620. It says a decisive close above this resistance with sustained volume could open the door towards 650 in upcoming sessions, or we could honestly go all the way up to 675 at the 100-day moving average. Now, it goes on to say that on-chain data also reveals increased whale accumulation and large withdrawals from exchanges, which reduce the sell-side pressure and support a current recovery. Macroeconomic conditions across the overall cryptocurrency market provide an additional drop as Bitcoin holds steady around $67,000 per coin, and investors show a selective appetite for meme coins during phases of market rotation. Guys, it is not very common to buy meme coins when you are afraid. They are speculative, they are risky, and fearful situations lead to risk-off scenarios. Now, it doesn't mean that people won't. We're watching meme coins soar in real time. We're watching them take off from 19 cents to 41 cents on a daily basis right now. But that's Siren. That's not Shiba Inu coin. This is a $300 million coin. Shiba Inu coin is a $3 billion coin. So there is a very large difference there that we're going to have to keep our eyes on and really track before we get ahead of ourselves. But with that, if you're interested in accumulating, buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy is kind of base advice that nobody ever follows.